Hello everyone, I'm Renuka Negi from Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you in our daily stocks news session. Today, major business and economic news on 8th October 2021 are: oil rallies on US assurance of no plans for now to tap reserve. The US Energy Department said Thursday it has no plans at this time to tap into nation's oil reserve to counter rising gasoline prices. NYMEX crude oil futures reserved an earlier decline, rising as much as 1% on the news. The department's assurance follows a Financial Times report on Wednesday that Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm had raised the prospect of releases from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. It had plunged crude prices as much as 2.7% that day. US debt ceiling. The US averted for now the risk of a damaging default on its debt as Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell proposed a temporary suspension of the debt ceiling until early December. The offer comes with a string attached. Democrat lawmakers must attach a dollar level to the new ceiling that the extension will require. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer indicated that the offer was likely to be accepted. European energy crisis recedes after Putin intervention. Another market getting at least a temporary reprieve was the European natural gas market, where UK spot prices retraced as much as 49% in response to sign that Russia is willing to increase supplies to Europe. The front month futures contract eased by some 7%. A carefully stage managed intervention by President Vladimir Putin on Wednesday held out the prospect of increased flows, against an unspoken subtext that this would be dependent on allowing a quick start to shipments through the Nord Stream 2 pipeline. He was also scathing of Europe's attempt to give the spot market a greater role in price formation and repeated Russia's offer of new long term contracts and its continued desire to own and operate storage facilities in Europe. Biden Xi meeting agreed. US President Joe Biden and his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping have agreed to hold a virtual meeting by the end of the year, the White House said. The news adds to sign of a thaw in US Chinese relations, despite the Biden's administration's refusal so far to lift any of the sanctions imposed by his predecessor, Donald Trump. The US officials who met the Zurich briefed media that talks had been more productive than the previous exchange in Anchorage, Alaska a few weeks back. The development follows the resolution of a long standing issue in bilateral relations in September, which saw Hawaii's chief financial officer released from custody in Canada and allowed to return home, in return for agreeing to a statement of fact from the Justice Department that may give the US a stronger legal case for sanctions against the Chinese telecoms firm. USD INR price news. Indian rupee challenges bulls commitments near 74.85 ahead of RBI. China's Caixin Services PMI for September came in at 53.4 versus 50.7 expected and 46.7 last, showing that the country's service activity has expanded sharply in the reported month. So that's all for today's highlights. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.